Hi everyone, this is part 5 of SEO for bloggers, and we're going to look at links, what they are and why they matter. My name's Theo McArthur. I've been blogging for 20 years and teaching blogging since 2016. There are 3 types of links that we have on our website. We have backlinks, outgoing links and internal links. So backlinks are links to your website from other websites. Now this could be from social media sites like Facebook, for example. If you have a Facebook account and you link to a post or a page on your blog, that's a backlink. We've got outgoing links, and these are links from your website to other websites. And when we create a post, we should always have one outgoing link. That could be going to a site like Wikipedia, for example. But we always have a link going to a credible website that is relevant to what we're talking about in the post. So somewhere in the post, you want an outgoing link. And we've got internal links, and these are links from your website to your website. So for example, a link from one post to another post. That's easy to do. So we've got internal links, easy to do, and we should have 1 to 2 internal links on each post we create. Outgoing links, easy to do, and we should have 1 outgoing link, maybe even 2, but usually 1 is fine on every post we create. Backlinks are a little more difficult. We've got the backlinks that we get from social media accounts, but over time we want to build up more backlinks, and it will happen naturally over time. Now 70% of the content on the internet doesn't have any backlinks at all. It will not rank on page 1 of Google if it doesn't have any backlinks. There are things we can do to speed up the process to get backlinks. There's guest blogging, where we can post on someone else's blog with a link going back to our website. So there are things you can do. There are forums, for example. You can sometimes get a link going back to your blog from a forum. So that is the one thing that you would need to work on to rank a piece of content high on page 1 of Google is the backlinks, because everything else, when you look at it, everything else that we've just been through in these last few lessons, is pretty easy to achieve. All you've got to do is put some effort into your content. The backlinks is the one thing that it can take a little time to do, but SEO and getting traffic from Google, especially getting a lot of traffic from Google, this is not an overnight process, but it's something that you should be implementing right from the beginning when you start creating posts on your blog.